Looking at the western part of the United States, we can see a stark contrast between the lush green near the coast on the west and the eastern portion that is more arid and dry. From this image, you may have noticed the distinct geographic feature that separates these two areas. This feature would be the mountain ranges of the Sierra Nevadas in California, as well as the Cascade Mountain Range in Oregon and Washington. But what about these features creates the distinct difference between the exterior and interior of the United States? These geographic features are something created by what we call the rain shadow effect. This effect occurs when warm, moist air blows in from the ocean and is forced higher into upper elevations where it becomes cooler and drops the moisture. Now, when the air reaches the other side of the mountain range, there is no moisture left. This is why we see such a vast difference between the vegetation of California, Oregon, and Washington on the coast versus the inland states of Nevada and Idaho. This image gives us a physics perspective of why this phenomenon occurs. These blue and red circles represent air molecules. On the left, we can see that the blue circles represent them in a cold air environment, whereas on the right, the red represents them in a warmer air environment. When gaseous molecules, such as those that comprise air, receive warmer temperatures, they receive more excitement. As we can see on the right, as compared to the left, this leaves more space for other molecules, such as water vapor. Therefore, when that warm, moist air blows in from the ocean and hits the mountains, it goes to a higher elevation and then cools in temperature. This means that there is less room for the water vapor molecules to exist, and therefore they precipitate in either rain or snow. If you enjoy learning about the processes that shape the geography of our world, please consider subscribing. Thank you.